Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2005 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, rear defrost, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, power windows, passenger airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.